Today, we're going to explore a spice that most of us already have in our kitchen: cinnamon. But did you know that cinnamon might help with more than just adding flavor to your desserts? Recent research suggests that cinnamon can help reduce depression and even boost your mood. What is depression? Depression is more than just feeling sad. It's a complex mental health condition that affects how you feel, think, and handle daily activities. It's more than just feeling sad. It can be mentally and physically draining. Now, while professional help is essential, certain natural remedies, like cinnamon, can complement traditional treatments. How cinnamon reduces depression. Rich in antioxidants, cinnamon is packed with antioxidants that help reduce oxidative stress, which is known to impact brain health. By lowering this stress, cinnamon protects brain cells and promotes mental clarity. Boosts serotonin. Low levels of serotonin, a key neurotransmitter, are linked to depression. Research shows that cinnamon may help increase serotonin levels, giving your mood a natural boost. Regulates blood sugar. Unstable blood sugar levels are associated with mood swings and mental fatigue. Cinnamon helps improve insulin sensitivity, ensuring that your blood sugar remains stable. How to consume cinnamon for mental health benefits. Just boil a cup of water, add half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder or a cinnamon stick, and let it simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain it, and you've got a delicious, mood-boosting tea. Next, sprinkle some cinnamon on your breakfast. Whether it's oatmeal, yogurt, or a smoothie, half a teaspoon of cinnamon can help keep your energy stable and your mood lifted throughout the day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Stay healthy and take care.